Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of replacing the keyboard on your Lenovo Yoga 730. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this task. You'll require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small screws. Now, let's begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during this process. Once it's off, flip the laptop over and remove the screws securing the back cover. You should see multiple Phillips screws here. Keep them in a labeled container so you won't mix them up later. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is off, we can see the internal components. Be cautious here. If you're unsure about any step, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate the battery and disconnect it by carefully removing the connector. This step is very important for safety. Now, find the screws that hold the keyboard in place. They are usually located near the edges of the keyboard. Remove these screws and set them aside. Once the screws are out, you can gently lift the keyboard from the top edge using the spudger. Be careful not to yank it out, as there might be some cables underneath. If you encounter any resistance, double-check if there are any screws you might have missed. If you're not comfortable continuing, just a reminder that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, just a simple and hassle-free service. Now that the keyboard is free, disconnect the ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Use your tweezers to gently lift the connector, being careful not to damage the pins. With the old keyboard removed, it's time for some cleaning. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean out any dust and debris from the area. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Gently press the ribbon cable back into place and secure it. Reattach the screws to hold the keyboard in position. Make sure everything is snug but don't over-tighten, this can lead to damage. Before closing everything up, reconnect the battery. It's a good idea to test the keyboard before sealing the laptop. Power it on and check if all keys are functioning properly. If everything looks good, you can proceed to replace the back cover. Secure it with the screws you previously set aside. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 730 one last time and ensure that your new keyboard is working seamlessly. If you have any concerns or if something doesn't seem right, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and trust in our service. Thank you for watching, and happy typing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.